guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. How you doing? So today I'm going to be doing a leggings haul from Amazon. So you guys have been liking me incorporating some more fashion into my videos, and it makes me so happy because I would love to show you guys more fashion stuff. With that being said, I do want to start losing some weight and getting a bigger butt and that kind of thing. I used to do squats and everything, go to the gym and do some weightlifting for quite a while, and I was really into it and had like a big perky butt, and I thought I was born with it, but then I stopped working out and my butt is small now and it makes me really sad, and I've gained some weight. And so with that being said, I wanted to get some new workout clothes to motivate me to go to the gym, and so I wanted some Lululemon leggings, but those babies are pricey. They're like $100 and up for one pair of leggings, so I thought I would get multiple pairs of leggings at Amazon because everybody says that they have the best Lululemon legging dupes, and so we're gonna try them on today and see if they're good quality, and I'm super excited. I got lots of different colors and different like styles, like high-waisted or not and that kind of thing. And so yeah, if you guys want to see what I got and see me like try them on for the first time, then go ahead and keep watching. So the first pair of leggings I got is from the company called Queenie, and it comes in this little cute bag. How cute is that? It's like really nice packaging, and then it's just a zip tie and you open it. And I got the color dark rose, and these retail for $20.88. This is what they look like. I don't know if you guys could tell on camera, but they're like a plum, like eggplant color. Which I wasn't expecting because online it literally looked like a dark red burgundy, like a red velvet kind of color, and they're more purpley in person, which makes me kind of sad because I love red and these are more purple. And I got them in a size small. Now it says on here that they're for yoga, and so let's go ahead and try these on. I'm super excited. They're full length. Okay, so this is what they look like on. I have this chair right here so I could show you the bottom. But as you can see, they scrunch up a little bit. I am 5'3", so they're a little bit longer on me, but this is what they look like. I don't think they're that flattering on me. They're high-waisted, and they are fraying a little bit right here already. And I did like a test clip, and they are not squat-proof at all with these lights. I don't know without the lights, but with the lights, like, they're pretty see-through. I don't want to show you guys my underwear, but this is what they look like on. And yeah, I don't know how to show you guys like the bottom here. Maybe if I stand like this is what the bottom looks like. But yeah, not my favorite. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the other pair of leggings that I got from the exact same brand. And so again, in this little pouch. And this one don't have a zipper. Weird. Yeah, it's in here. It broke off. So the zipper broke off. Oh, it's ripped right here, so I could go ahead and just open it like that, I guess. Or no, it's not gonna let me. Oh, there it goes. So this is the color I got. It's really, really pretty. It's like a white with like grayish blue kind of marbling on it. Is that what you would call it? I don't know. But this is what they look like. They're super pretty, and I'm really scared about these being see-through since the purple ones were really see-through. But hopefully not. They have the little logo on the back as well. This one, actually, I forgot to tell you guys, these purple ones said that they were supposed to have a pocket in the back, and it doesn't have a pocket. So that's kind of odd, but let's see if this one has a pocket. No, it doesn't. It has a drawstring in here though. And I got it in a size small. Once again, let me check the price. So these ones costed $19.88, so they're a little bit more cheap. And so let's try them on. Okay guys, so this is the next pair. I really like the pattern. It looks really pretty and it feels very silky. Let me step back so you can see a little more. This is what they look like. And they do bunch up at the bottom just like those other ones. They're bunched up. But unfortunately, these are really, really see-through. Like, you could totally see everything through them. really disappointing. They fit really nice. Like I said, I got a small. They're nice and tight on my panza. This is what the back looks like. Hopefully you guys can't see my underwear. But yeah, if they weren't see-through, I would actually really like these ones. Okay guys, so I like these so much, I decided to give them another try, but this time I have nude underwear on. I was wearing navy dark blue underwear before, and then I also did a squat test in front of the mirror without all these lights because I have a ring light and 2 box lights right now, so it's a lot of light going on, and that's why they kind of appear more sheer, but they're totally squat proof now. You can't see through them at all. This is what the back looks like. And so I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. I'm super excited. I just have to wear them with like some nude underwear and I think I'll be fine. I think they make my butt look nice, and so I really like these overall. And so I'm gonna go ahead and keep these. They're nice and silky and really high quality. Okay, so with that being said, I did give these another try as well. These are the dark purple ones from the same brand. And I wore them with the nude underwear and with all the lights off with just natural lighting, and they were still super duper sheer. They did not pass the squat proof test again. So overall, I'm going to be returning these because they're even sheerer than these white ones, which is really crazy. And like I said, these are perfectly squat proof now that I have nude underwear on and without all these lights. And so I'm going to be keeping the white pair, but these purple ones, I do not suggest this color. They're very see-through, so I'm going to be returning these ones. Okay, so that is everything that I got from that brand, and it's called Queenie Key. So the next leggings are all from, what is it called? 90 Degrees by Reflex. And so a lot of people talk really good things about these leggings, so hopefully they'll be good. So the first pair I got is this pair right here, and I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it's like a shiny kind of camo looking tight. Oh my gosh, it looks so beautiful. I love that. It's like very, very subtle because I hate really loud like prints. And this one's super duper subtle. It has the little logo in the back, except this one is like a little girl like doing yoga or something. I don't know if you could tell. I got these in a size small as well. These ones are low-waisted, and then the other ones I got are high-waisted. So I'm first going to try on these, and they feel really nice quality. They don't feel like cloth. They feel very silky, and I kind of like love the way they feel. They feel just like silk. And so yeah, I'm excited to try these on. Let's give them a go. Oh, let's see how much these were. So these ones were $16.99, so quite a bit cheaper than the other 2 pairs. So let's go ahead and try them on. Okay, these are the next leggings. Super cute. I really like the way these feel. They just feel very luxurious. And they just fit so nice. I'm standing on the chair so you guys can see, right? But yeah, they're a little bit see-through. Like you could see the darkness of my underwear, but you can't, like, they're not as bad as the other ones. So maybe if you wear like a nude pair, you'll be okay. But I'm really liking these. They just feel very high-end, and they even have a little pocket right here for your phone. Let me show you guys how that works. So it just pops right in there like that. They're not high-waisted, so they're a little bit below my belly button, and this is what the bottom of them look like. Not much bunching up. I really like these ones. These ones are definitely a thumbs up. So one thing to note about these low-waisted ones is that they are a little bit looser on the tummy area since they are not high-waisted. And so I would definitely size down if you're going to be getting low-rise tights like these ones. Maybe an extra small if you wear small. Like I said, I got a small on all of them. And yeah, other than that, I really like them. They fit really nice on like the butt and the legs. This is what the back looks like. They might appear a little bit more sheer on camera because of the lights. But overall, I really do like these a lot. Okay, last but not least, we have one more pair from 90 Degrees. And this is just your basic black pair. I just wanted plain black leggings. These are probably the ones I'm going to get the most wear out of if I like them. And I got these high-waisted. These are kind of like a more cloth material. And that is what they look like. So they do get hair on them pretty fast. They're already grabbing hair from Hudson. And so yeah, let's go ahead and try them on. They do feel thicker though than the other leggings. Okay, so this is what the all black pair looks like. I really, really like these. I love the way they fit. I love the high waist. I feel like they control my tummy really good. And so far I'm liking them. The only thing I don't like is that they attract a lot of hair and lint because they're that cottony material. So I would have to like lint roll a lot. But this is what the back looks like. It comes up really high on my back. It does have like lines on the back. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I just think that's from the way it was folded in the package. So just ignore that. They are a tad bit sheer, but they're kind of like the camo ones to where you really can't tell that they're sheer. It's just like a tiny bit of skin peeking through. So other than that, they're really good and I really like these ones. And so yeah, that is gonna be everything for this video. I hope that you guys liked it. I know it was kind of like meh, but I don't know. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if you did, or just give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And so yeah, with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!